Most of the time I have been looking how you can decrypt and see SNI bugs and payloads from HTTP custom files. But today your request has been received. So you'll be decrypting the files whenever you are and then get the hosts and the payloads to use and create your own files. So stay around. I'm going to take you through a process where you can do this, then you do it by yourself. So you need to follow all steps I'm going to take you through so that you can succeed. I'm going to start with the Android version of your phone. So first of all, we need a minimum. We need a minimum of Android 9. Let's say 8. We need a minimum of Android 8. Then a maximum of Android 16. So if your device is between these requirements, then we are able to decrypt our files. Failure to this, you will not succeed to decrypt the files. So make sure, guys, you follow these steps so that you can decrypt files. Whenever in those groups you are, you should check and decrypt the files. So this device is Android 13, as you see, guys, on my phone. I'm using Android 13, so it's between Android 16 and Android 8. So make sure your Android device is between these two. So we don't have another trick, but it's just an app. I have put the link in the description to go and download this app, HTTP Custom. This app have been modified to unlock payloads, SNI bug hosts, so that you can see them and use them, copy and create your own file. So going and open this app after you download it, allow the permission, then click on OK. So this app is designed to decrypt files. It shall unlock the payload. So click on OK. Then we are on these sessions. So when you open a file, it will just unlock the IP, the port, the username, and the password. So what we're gonna do, click on the plus sign on the HTTP custom, or whenever, whether you are in WhatsApp groups on Telegram, just click on the file, then open with this installed new app. Install the old version, then install this new version. Then we go now, click on this plus sign you see in the HTTP custom, then open a file. So go to downloads here, then go to HTTP custom where we all save our files. So I'm going to click on the file. Let me start with the one from Ghana, this one. As you see, the payloads, the SNI, let's check the server has been unlocked, guys. The server, the username, the port, then the password have been unlocked automatically. Let's see the payload. The payload is also unlocked, guys. This is the trick you have come up with to unlock the HTTP custom files. As you see, let's say go to SSL, it's also unlocked. So let's open a new file with SSL. Let's say I'm going to open this one. As you see, the server, the username, the port, the payloads have been unlocked also. So you can change anything here. You replace your hosts, USAI bug hosts. When I check the siphon, let me import another file for siphon. Let's say let me take this one. Let me use this one. This is the V2 now. So the V2, let me see the V2. So let's go to this tree custom, then V2. As you see, the V2 server has been unlocked. This is the file. Now let's try the siphon, and the SSL. So let me go to custom tree up there. Let's see the SNI first. The SNI bar host. As you see, it is unlocked, guys. Then let's see the payload is unlocked. Then let's see the siphon requirements. The SSL. Let's import the SSL first and see. So the SSL, let's say I want the SSL, this one. It's expired. Let me unlock a new one. Bas, this one. Let's see the V2 first. The V2 is unlocked, guys. Then let me import the SSL first. The SSL, let me say it is this one. Let's say it's this one. Yeah. Now the payload is unlocked. And that's how to unlock. So download the app in the description or in the first comment and enjoy this simple trick, guys. The download is from my website, Later Gaming. Then it will take you direct to Mediafire. Will download this app, guys. Finally, guys, use this trick to show others. And thanks for watching. Let me see you in the next video. Subscribe, please.